Welcome children. In the last session we have completed the addition part of the chapter 2. Today let us discuss more about subtraction. Yes, you all know that in a subtraction the first number is called a minuend, the number from which we subtract. And the second number, that is subtrahend, is the number to be subtracted. And the answer we got no after the difference, after the subtraction we will get the answer, no, that is called the difference. Okay children, this is minuend, subtrahend and a difference. Subtraction, 5 digit number and a 6 digit number. Let us subtract here 32,573 from 75,492. See here, first of all, let us arrange the numbers in the form of column. Okay. Yes. Write the places. Arrange the number. This is the first number. This is called minuend and this is the subtrahend. Write the first 75,492 minus 32,573. Yes, here subtract here 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 is not possible. So we have to take a borrow from the next place, 10 place. Then the 9 becomes 8 and this 2 becomes 12. 2 becomes 12. That means 10 plus 2 is 12. Again we can subtract a 12 minus 3. 12 minus 3 is 9. Okay. Yes. Now 8 minus 7 is 1. 4 minus 5 is not possible. So take a borrow from the 1000 place. 5 becomes 4 and this 4 becomes 14 here. 10 plus, here we are taking a 1 10,000. Okay. Yes. 10 and a 4 becomes 14. Now it is possible to subtract 14 minus 5. 14 minus 5 is 9. Next, 4 minus 2 is 2. 7 minus 3 is 4. Like this, we will subtract first ones place, tens place, hundreds, thousand and lastly 10,000 place. Got it children? Now let us solve worksheet 5, first main subtract. Here the number is given, we have to subtract 78,321 from 85,213. Okay, first we have to arrange in a column. Write the places first and the bigger number in the first, that is minuend 85,213 and the first number 78,321. Always we have to write the bigger number first. Yes, now subtract the number. 3 minus 1 is 2. 1 minus 2 is not possible. Take a borrow from 100 place. 2 becomes 1 and this 1 becomes 11. Now 11 minus 2 is 9. Next 1 minus 3 is not possible. Take borrow. 5 becomes 4 and this 1 becomes 11. Now again 11 minus 3 is 8. 4 minus 8 is not possible. Take borrow. 8 becomes 7. This 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 8 is 6. 7 minus 7 is 0. The answer is called the difference. 6892 is the difference of these two numbers. Okay children, then we'll move on to the second one. I'll write in a column. First write 97,295 minus 96,570. Always write the bigger number top. Then subtract. 5 minus 0 is 5. 9 minus 7 is 2. 2 minus 5 is not possible. Take a borrow. 7 becomes 6 and 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. Then 6 minus 6 is 0. 9 minus 9 is 0. 725 is the difference between these two numbers. Yes. Next we will move on to the third one. Arrange the numbers in a column first. The first number is 71,057 minus 62,783. Subtract these two numbers. 7 minus 3 is 4. 5 minus 8 not possible. Take a borrow from 100 place. Here also not possible. Then go to 1000 place. Take borrow here. Here the 1 becomes 0 and this 0 becomes 10. Now we can take a borrow from 100 place. So this 10 becomes 9 and 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 8 is 7. 9 minus 7 is 2. 0 minus 2 is not possible. Take a borrow from 10,000 place. 7 becomes 6 and 0 becomes 10. Now 10 minus 2 is 8. 6 minus 6 is 0. 8,274 is the difference between the numbers. Yes, we'll move on to a fourth one. Arrange the numbers in a column first. 89,560 minus 88,732. Yes, 0 minus 2 is not possible. Take a borrow from 6 becomes 5 and 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 5 minus 3 is 2. 5 minus 7 not possible. 9 becomes 8. 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 7 is 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. 8 minus 8 is 0. 828 is the answer. Okay, next move on to the second main. Find the difference between. Here they are given the two numbers. We have to find out the difference between these two numbers. To find out the difference between these two numbers, first we should check the bigger number. Find out the bigger number in between these two numbers and write the bigger number first here. See here, in these two numbers, the 6 lakh 54,372 and 1,28,453. Which number is greater here? Yes, 6 lakh. Here we are comparing the lakh place. The 6 lakh is the bigger number. So we have to write this one in a top. First arrange the numbers in a column. Yes. Write 6,54,372, then minus 1,28,453. Don't get confused, children. In the first main we are written the bigger number only top. In here also we are finding the bigger number and write the number in a top. The bigger number is called the minuend and the smaller number is called subtrahend. Now subtract the number. 2 minus 3 is not possible. Then take a borrow from tens place. The 7 becomes 6 and 2 becomes 12 here. 12 minus 3 is 9. 6 minus 5 is 1. 3 minus 4 is not possible. So take borrow from thousand place. 4 becomes 3 and this 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 4 is 9. 3 minus 8 not possible. 5 becomes 4. 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 8 is 5. 4 minus 2 is 2. 6 minus 1 is 5. 5,25,919 is the difference between these two numbers. Okay, move on to the second one. Arrange the numbers in a column first. Yes, first find out the bigger number in these two. 9 lakh and a 5 lakh is there. Yes, 9 lakh is the greater number. So I'll write the bigger number first. 9,76,517, then minus 5,28,753. Subtract these two numbers. 7 minus 3 is 4. 1 minus 5 is not possible. Take a borrow from 100 place. This 5 becomes 4 and 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 5 is 6. 4 minus 7 is not possible. 6 becomes 5 and this 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. 5 minus 8 is not possible. 7 becomes 6 and 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 8 is 7. 6 minus 2 is 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. That is 4,47,764. Next one, arrange in a column first. Yes, here the 4-digit number and a 6-digit number is there. Obviously the 6-digit number is greater. Write the number first. 7,98,454 minus, this is a 4-digit number, so we have to start from thousand place. 5,484. Write the numbers in a column carefully. Then subtract. 4 minus 4 is 0. 5 minus 8, not possible. Then take a borrow from 100 place. 4 becomes 3 and 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 8 is 7. 3 minus 4, not possible. 8 becomes 7. 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 4 is 9. 7 minus 5 is 2. Now 9, 7 as it is. Okay, the answer is 7,92,970. Again, arrange in a column first. Yes, here we have to find out the bigger number. Here 5-digit number and this is 6-digit number. The 6-digit number is greater. Right here 2,99,059 minus 5-digit number is there. So we have to start from 10,000 place. 57,357. Now subtract the number. 9 minus 7 is 2. 5 minus 5 is 0. Then 0 minus 3 is not possible. 9 becomes 8 and 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. Now 8 minus 7 is 1. 9 minus 5 is 4. 2 as it is down. 2,41,702 is the answer. Yes, in a first main E and F, and in a second main E and F do by yourself. Thank you.